Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can duplicate columns in your sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. So head over to your project sheet inside your workspace on Smartsheet. Let me go with this one here. And next guys, what you want to do is switch to the table view for your sheet here by clicking into that arrow down icon and by selecting table. And after that guys, what you want to do is simply select the given column. For example, if you'd like to, let's say, duplicate this column here assigned to, there is no direct feature how you can duplicate these columns. For example, if I click into these three dots here, I will be given the opportunity to delete the column or to hide it, to resize it, but there is no duplicate feature, as you can see. So we will need to do a little workaround here, and that should be simply to create a completely new blank column. So to do that, click into one of these, right click into one of these columns and select either insert column to the left or to the right. It's up to you. Let me go with insert column to the right. And now guys, make sure that the column type resembles the same column type of the column you'd like to duplicate, which is in this case here. Let me just check the column type of this one here under column properties. It's the contact list column type. So if you'd like to create a completely new one, make sure that they both have the same column types. So let me do that really quickly and select contact list. You can rename it, for example, if we want to keep the same name. Let me just use the same name, but I guess we will need to add a little tweak to it, to the column name, because they can't have the same name. And after that, confirm by clicking into apply here. And last but not least, click into the uppermost cell of the column you'd like to duplicate. Press and hold left shift on your keyboard and click into the lowermost cell of the column. Press Ctrl C to copy it, or Command C if you're using a Mac. And in the last step, left click into the uppermost cell of the duplicated column or to be duplicated column, and press Ctrl V to paste the entire data into your new duplicated column. You may also adjust the size a bit here, for example, so that it resembles the original column here. And that's it. You may leave the original column or delete it, for example, if it's not the primary column. And after that, your duplicated column will become the original one. Let me just rename it back to assigned to. Click into apply, and that's it, guys. We have successfully duplicated a column here on Smartsheet. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.